In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to convert shapefile to Excel sheet in ArcGIS Pro. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in ArcGIS Pro, I have this point data called Kogi Towns. So if I right click on this layer and check the attribute table, you can see the attribute table of this very shapefile. So it's a point data and it has attributes. If I move on, these are the attributes of this data. So what if you want to convert this to Excel sheet, especially when you want to do statistical analysis or descriptive analysis and you want to use it in Excel? So to convert this shapefile to Excel is what I want to show you. To do that, come under View, click on View, click on Geoprocessing. Then it will open Geoprocessing table like this. Then come under Toolbox, these two boxes. Then come under Conversion Tools, click on it. Then come to Excel, click on Excel. Then you see Table to Excel, Table to Excel, double click it. Then it will open this page. Then we want to load in this Kogi Towns, which is a shapefile, into this place. So click here and click on your point data, which is Kogi Towns in this case. Then automatically when you do that, it will save in your working folder. However, if you want to change it, you can click here and navigate to your folder, your preferred folder. So now the name it will save it with is Kogi Towns _ table to Excel.xlxs. So now that you have done that, click on Run. So it will start running. In few seconds, it will convert this shapefile to Excel such that you can use it for further analysis, like your statistical analysis or your descriptive analysis. So it is completed. It's completed. Then we can now go to our output folder, which is on our desktop in exercise folder in georeferencing subfolder. So let's go to desktop. This is it, Kogi Towns _ table to Excel. Let's click to open it and see. So it's open. Let me close this and bring back that Excel sheet. Close this. So if I go here, I can see all the information here. Let me shift it. At the same thing here, I can move this. You can see all this information at the same thing as we have here, in the attribute table of the shapefile. So in a nutshell, this is how to convert shapefile to Excel sheet in ArcGIS Pro. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.